Edo State Government don announce say dem go begin the first meeting of the Joint Transition Committee to make sure say the handover of government goes smoothly. The first meeting go shele on Friday, October 18, 2024 for John Odige Oyegu Public Service Academy, Benin City. The Commissioner for Information and Orientation, Chris Neikare, wey tok on behalf of the state government for one to-talk session with Tori people on Thursday, October 17, 2024 for Government House, come confirm say the state government true don receive the list of the All Progressive Congress APC Transition Committee members so the meeting fit start. E con still tok say the state government dey look forward to how the members go work together to make sure say the transition go well. Neikare come also assure Tori people and the general public say dem go dey get updates steady as the process dey go.
I just want to confirm that we have received the names of the APC Transition Committee members, and we are pleased to announce that we have scheduled the inaugural meeting of the Joint Committee members for Friday, October 18th, 2024 at 10 a.m. The meeting will take place at JOOPSA. The primary objective of the Transition Committee is to facilitate a smooth handing over of government. We look forward to the collaborative efforts of all members in ensuring a seamless transition. This is the first time, like I said earlier, that Edo State is going through this kind of transition from one party to another. And we have to actually set the protocol to make sure everything is done right. We'll be updating the press every day, and we'll be inviting some pressmen to cover every deliberation.
The commissioner can call the list of the names of the members of the Edo State Government Transition Committee, where they chaired by Oga Joseph Eboigbe, the secretary to the state government, and come also call the list of the names of the members of the All Progressive Congress APC Transition Committee, where they chaired by Dr. Pius Odubu.
For the Edo State government, we have a transition committee made up of Mr. Joseph Eboigbe, who is the secretary to the state government and also the chairman. We have Ifwekwalufoi, who is the secretary stroke coordinator of the transition committee. We have Oluwole Osazeuzi, the advisor, Isakamo, advisor, Joan Oviawe, advisor, and then we have Mr. Igbera Sejiu, member, engineer Nabulele Ferguson, member, Mr. Anelo Julius, member, Mr. F.A. Serene, member, Mrs. Osaro Ahia, member, Mrs. Igbinogbaro Bosse Joy, member, Yuwa Naps, member, Mr. Jude Ekbu, member, Dr. Stanley Eriama, member, Mrs. Joy Ahigbe, member, Mrs. Emotia Aki Omojowo, member, Mrs. Akbolao Eduge, member, Dr. Henry Dogu, member, Mr. Isaac Ebewole, member, and Mrs. Osayame Mokoju, member, Mr. Fidelis Imiebiahe, member. Of course, we have the Antonio Kungbawa, head of service, member. We have Mr. Neikare, who is the Commissioner of Communication, member. And we have Mrs. Deborah Enahinyo, permanent secretary of the SSG's office, member. On the APC side, the submitted names: Dr. Pius Odubu is the chairman of their team, Dr. Pharmacy Machurogide, member, Pastor Osage Zayamu, member, Barrister Andrew Adaze Evanta, member, Dr. Washington Yosifo, member, Barrister Nusa Adams, member, Omosedek Benedion, member, Paul Ohombamu, member, Edo Omorogiva, member, Ernest Afolabi Umalahili, member, Taiwo Akerele, member, Godwin Esheshi, member, Yakse Musa, member, Kazim Amfebwa, member, Ohio Omo Ozomo, member, Gani Audu, member, Dr. Aminu Imafidon, member, Professor Ozayiwo Alude, member, Professor Mrs. Eunice Omoze Zeje, member, Matthew Egbadon, member, Dr. Tony Passager, member, Felix Akabwe, member, Kinsley Egemuso, member, and Dr. Frank Omo, member. So this is the list of the Joint Transition Committee having an inaugural meeting tomorrow. I thought we should bring this to the general public and members of the press.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.